I'm going to say about one important topic to be discussed. This topic is alcohol. Many people don't know the risks that alcohol can provide in your lives if you use in a big quantity. Actually, this is a big problem, especially in teenagers, and the number is increasing. First out, I'm going to say about some types of popular alcoholic beverages around the world, and also the percentage of alcohol in each one. There are different types of alcohol beverages, as for example, wine, beer, whiskey, rum, and brandy. Whiskey and rum have between 14 and 55% of alcohol. Brandy has between 14 and 15, and wine and champagne have between 10 and 22, and beer between 4 and 8% of alcohol. On the top of the list of countries that consume more alcohol are countries like Russia, Ukraine, Latvia, and Lithuania. The liquor are preferred. Countries as French, Italy, Spain, Sweden, and Portugal recorded a high consumption of alcohol, but it's different. They drink 1 or 2 shots every day, which carries less risks. In the United States, the consumption is medium. What are the effects of alcohol? It's important to know. According to our website, kidshealth.org, drinking alcohol is dangerous for kids and teens, and sometimes for adults too. Alcohol is actually a depressant. That means it's a drug that slows down or decreases the brain. Like many drugs, alcohol changes a person's ability to think, speak, and see things as they really are. A person might lose his or her balance and have trouble walking properly. The person may feel relaxed and happy, and later start crying or get in an argument. When people drink too much, they may do or say things they don't mean, and they may hurt themselves or other people, especially if they drive a car. Someone who drinks too much also might throw up and cold wake up the next day feeling awful. It's called hangover. Drinking too much alcohol can lead to alcohol poisoning, which can kill a person. Over time, someone who abuses alcohol can do serious damage to his or her body. The liver, which removes poisons from the blood, is especially at risk. Another big problem is related with the alcoholism. Someone who has alcoholism craves alcohol. The person has little control over his or her drinking and can stop without help. Alcoholism is chronic, which means it continues over time. It often gets hard too, because the person may start experiencing health problems related to drink. In addition to causing liver problems, long-term drink can damage the pancreas, heart, and brain. How many people are affected by alcohol? According to our website, greenfacts.org, about 2 million people worldwide consume alcoholic drinks, which can have immediate and long-term consequences on health and social life. Over 76 million people are currently affected by alcohol use disorders such as alcohol dependence and abuse. Depending on the amount of alcohol consumed and the pattern of drinking, alcohol consumption can lead to drunkenness and alcohol dependence. It can result in disablement death from accidents could contribute to depression and suicide. Moreover, it can cause chronic illness such as cancer and liver disease and those who drink heavily for many years. Alcohol causes 1.8 million deaths a year, which represent 3.2% of the all deaths worldwide. Alcohol is the third most common cause of death in developed countries. In the limit number of developed countries where overall mortality is low. Alcohol is the leading cause of illness and disease. Worldwide, alcohol causes a loss of 58.3 million deaths annually of the total loss of deaths from all causes. Mental disorders and diseases of the nervous system account for about 40% dailies lost because of alcohol. I tried to explain how many people are affected by alcohol and what are the effects. I hope everyone can be aware of the dangers of high consumption of alcohol. Any quantity of alcohol should be consumed of moderate rate. Think about it before you start to drink a lot again. It could be important